Hello guys, today we will look into the problem of 283, so which is move zeros. Uh, let's go through the problem once. Given an integer array names, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note, you must do this in place without making a copy of an array, which means like we have to do it on often time and often space. So for example, let's take this example here. So input is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So as per the question, what we have to do here is like we have to move all the zeros, not all the zeros, we have to move all the repeated elements in the end to the end. So if you see here 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, right? So we have to move these zeros, the repeated ones, to the end. So we have to move the non-repetitive array numbers forward. So if you see it here 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. So by seeing this, you should get one idea, which is we can use two-pointer data structure here because we are sliding through left from right. So we are maintaining, so we have to move our repeated numbers to the right. What we have to do is we have to compare each number. Let's say this is I and this is J. We have to compare I and J. If we find both are similar, so we have to move J little bit further and I little bit further. So we have to exchange these two. If we don't find these two elements similar, so we have to switch the names of J with names of I. So that's way we can move all the non-repetitive numbers to one end, all the repetitive numbers into one end. Let's say for example, if initially you take I as a 0. So I iterate through the numbers, put a condition like if names of J is not equal to 0, switch names of J with names of I, names of I with a temporary value. So that's why we can move all the non-repetitive numbers into one corner and zeros into one corner. I think you will get a better idea while we code. Let's take I value as 0 initially because we have to iterate through the numbers, right? We have to compare I and J. So for that we have to have one I value which is 0 and iterate the number. J plus plus. So here we are iterating through numbers. What we have to so which condition do we have to put here? So we have to put if names of J is not equals to 0. So names of J is, so let's take like 0 0 0 1 0 3 12, right? So we have initialized I as 0, right? So names of J is not equal to 0 means if for instance let's take names of J is equal to 0. Here names of J and names of J is 0, right? Which is equal to 0. So in this scenario we should not take any action. So the iteration will go to the next point. Here names of J is 1 which is not equals to 0. In that case what we have to do is we have to push this 1 to this corner. We have to replace this 0 with the 1. So that 0 comes to indices of 1 and 1 goes to indices of 0. The same way here we get 0. In that case, wow, how it will look 1 0 0 3 12, right? Again the loop will continue. Will I plus 1. So I will move to the next element. So now this becomes I, this becomes J. So J is here in this scenario J is not equals to J is equals to 0, right? So loop will continue. Again J comes here. So here j is not equals to 0. In that case, what it is, here we have I, here we have j. We'll replace I with j. So 3 goes here, 0 comes here. So I plus plus, j goes here. So again loop continues, j is not equals to 0, j goes in this place, 0 comes in this place. This way the loop continues. So in the end what we get is, we will get 1 3 12 0 0. The loop ends, we will get the output. So if times of j is not equals to 0 means what we have to do, we have to, let's take plus, initially let's put times of I into a temporary temp variable so that we can switch the temp with names of j eventually. So let's put names of j into names of I. Let's put temp value into j. Temp value means which is names of I. So what we have to increase the I value. This is very simple, guys. So let's run it. So we got the output 0 1 0 3 12 1 3 12 0 0. Here 0 0 0. This is it for today, guys. Go through this problem. If you are not able to understand this problem, please do comment. I'll reply to all the comments. I'll come up with a new video tomorrow. Thank you.